Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a meal plan and no grocery haul, because as you can see here, I have plenty enough groceries. I dug out from my deep freezer and I'm good. So there will be no grocery haul this week. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. On my channel, I share points for all 3 Weight Watcher programs, and I also give calories as well. I'd love to have you as part of our family. So let me kind of go through and show you what I have here. This was in my freezer, and then I also have plenty of stuff in my pantry. I'll show you that. And then I'll go through and show you what I end up putting together for a meal plan for this. I have, these are chicken drumsticks that I had froze. I've got some pork tenderloin, a couple things of bacon, 3 things of chicken sausage, a couple things of cod, some tilapia, chicken, pork chops, turkey breast. Some of this I did just buy. I just bought salmon, but I didn't realize I still had salmon in there. Some ground pork. That actually was a mistake that Instacart did one day. They messed up my order and somebody else's. So anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. It's full fat, so I'll do something with it on a high day. I have chicken tenderloins back here. I have a turkey breast, butternut squash, a whole bunch of potato things like hash browns, French fries, some Brussels sprouts, some peas, mixed vegetables, green beans, broccoli, onions and peppers, burger, turkey kielbasa, a roast, and some chicken strips, and a couple things of chicken here. So I am all set. So my cupboards, I don't really have a walk-in pantry. I just have cupboards, but those are just filled with canned things. This is my pantry, and don't mind it. It is not in any kind of order right now. I really need to go through and redo this, but I mean, I've got potatoes in there. I've got beans. I've got rice. I've got a bunch of stuff in this little bin. Looks like more rice, some of the little Idahoan potatoes. There's some more white potatoes. All sorts. I've got more rice on here, some tomatoes. So I definitely do not need to do any type of grocery shopping this week. So no grocery haul this week. So now I'm going to go to the meal plan and show you what I ended up doing for a meal plan based on what I already have here. So I am pretty excited about what I have coming up for this meal plan without doing a grocery haul. So with the potato, all those bags of potatoes that I had in there, I had some tater tots, and I found a recipe on Emily Bites. I think it was Emily Bites. I'll put the link to the recipe down in the description box below. Actually, any of the recipes that you see me listing will be listed down in the description box below. But we had a breakfast casserole. When our friend passed away a couple weeks ago, they made a breakfast casserole that was really good. And so I was trying to come up with something of my own to, lower the points. And I ended up coming across a recipe from Emily Bites. So this is an Emily Bites recipe. It's tater tot breakfast casserole. And it looks so good. So for this one, it's 6 points on blue and purple and 10 points on green. So if you're on green, you could definitely lower the points by using like an egg substitute instead of whole eggs. And then for calories, it's 385 calories. So that breakfast casserole makes 8 portions. So that's going to be enough for my husband and I for Monday through Thursday. And then Friday for breakfast, I'll do a bacon and egg hash brown CHAFFLE sandwich. And I have a video for that. If you've not seen that, I'll link that down below as well. That is 4 points on blue, 2 points on purple, and 8 points on green, and 313 calories. I think I'm teleworking Friday, so I'll be able to make that. That's actually using the mini dash. For lunches this week, I'm going to use that turkey tenderloin that I had, and I'm just going to cook that up in the Instant Pot, just a basic turkey tenderloin in the Instant Pot with vegetables. So that's going to be a 0 point lunch on blue and purple and a 1 point lunch on green. So that may make up for your 10-point breakfast. So that's basically how I try to do my meal planning. If I have something for breakfast that's a little bit, has a little bit more carbs than normal, then I try to back off it on lunch or vice versa. And the calories on that is only going to be 90 plus. So I put plus because it depends on the vegetable. So I put 90 because that's how much it is just for the one portion, which I think is only 2 ounces. I need to double check that. If it's just a turkey tenderloin that you can buy from anywhere, really, any turkey tenderloin. And I think this brand is Jenny O. So that's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think Thursday and Friday for lunch, I'm just going to throw together BLTs. And I'm estimating those to be about 6 points. It just really depends on everything that I have on it. Sometimes I'll put turkey on it too with the bacon. It just depends. And then calories, of course, completely just depends on what you have on it. And then dinner this week, I think it's time for garlic Parmesan salmon. I try to just do different kind of salmons each week, and I think we're up to the garlic Parmesan. So that's 2 points for blue and purple, 10 points for green, 290 calories. And then I'm gonna pair that with ready rice, which is 3 points, and I think around 100 calories, depending how much you have of it. And then just some frozen Brussels sprouts. Tuesday night is going to be mozzarella stuffed pork chops, and I'm just going to have that with probably just green beans. I may add some mashed potatoes because that's pretty low. It's 6 points for the pork chops, or 170 calories. So, and then the green beans are 0 or very minimal calories. So I think I may add some mashed potatoes, just like maybe some instant mashed potatoes to that. Wednesday night is Philly style Hasselback chicken with mixed vegetables. That is 4 points for blue and purple, 7 points for green, and 331 calories. And then the mixed vegetables are 0 or minimal calories. If you can't tell, I'm trying to back off the nighttime carbs this week just because I feel like I've been eating a lot of carbs lately. So I'm trying to back off a little bit. Thursday night, I'm going to do Sloppy Joe casserole. That is 4 points on blue, 2 points on purple, and 6 points on green, and 245 calories. So I will probably have a double portion of that. I love that stuff. So I'll probably have a double portion. And then Friday, I'm going to do crispy baked cod with potatoes and broccoli. I have a video out there for that one. I'll link down below. And that is 8 points on blue, 5 points on purple, and 10 points on green, and 460 calories. And then for the weekend, I had those steaks in there, so we'll probably do steaks. And then Sunday, we're going to do probably pot roast. I was going to have my husband do some grilled chicken on Sunday, and then that way I would do that for meal prep the following week. But I'm going to be probably not doing a meal prep that following week because that's going to be the end of June. The last 2 weeks of June are going to be really insanely busy for us. In fact, I've been doing some batch videos, meaning for the last couple weeks in June, I'm actually not even going to be filming anything, but I'm still going to be having about three videos a week going up. So I'm just like filming them ahead of time in batch. So there probably won't be meal prep for those couple weeks or even a meal plan or grocery haul. But anyway, I'm not doing the grilled chicken. I'm going to do probably a pot roast instead. And then for snacks this week, I'm doing pudding for 2 points or 70 calories, and then just fruit for 0. So I'm not going to buy any extra, like my pretzels or anything that I usually have. So that is a pretty good meal plan for just pulling stuff out of my pantry and my freezer. And honestly, I'm still gonna have a ton left. So it's probably really good because like I said, the rest of the month is gonna be really kind of crazy. So I can hopefully use up the rest of that. And as always, a lot of people will ask me where I get these meal plans. These are on my website, planningushealthy.com. I will put the link down below. They're free. There have been recently some issues with my website where the pictures weren't coming up. So I think that is fixed now. I'm not sure what happened, but I think it's fixed. So if you are still having problems with the website, can somebody let me know in the comments down below that you're still having issues, and I will get with them and see what is going on. I don't have like a team that does my website. It's just me. So I'll have to try and figure it out myself. So that's it for my no grocery haul and meal plan. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy. You're perfect as you are.